ConvoWizard is a tool designed to provide Reddit users with information about whether a conversation they are participating in may be at risk of turning uncivil. It is implemented as a Chrome browser extension, which operates entirely by analyzing and manipulating the client-side HTML content in the browser window, and therefore does not require access to the user's Reddit account information. Let's take a look at how it works in action. When the user clicks reply under a comment, ConvoWizard first examines the HTML document structure to reconstruct the full chain of comments that serves as the context for this reply. Then, it uses the craft algorithm to estimate how likely the conversation is to turn uncivil in the future given this context. To give the user feedback about this estimated risk, ConvoWizard injects a new HTML element above the reply text box, containing a summary of the estimated risk. As we can see, ConvoWizard does not see anything out of the ordinary in this context. Now, let's take a look at a different context. ConvoWizard thinks this context is slightly risky and displays a warning accordingly. Notice that the color of the feedback box also changes to give a visual indicator of the risk. The warning text and the color are both determined based on the craft algorithm's score. So, in a context where the algorithm gives a higher score, for example, this one, the text and the color will indicate this higher risk. Now, if the user decides to write a reply, ConvoWizard will also provide feedback about the impact it thinks the reply will have on the risk level. How this works is that it reruns the craft algorithm on the full conversation with the in-progress reply text appended to the end. If the resulting score is higher than the score of the preceding context, then ConvoWizard will display a warning about the possible increased risk. On the other hand, if the resulting score is lower than the score of the preceding context, as we've achieved with this text, then ConvoWizard will display a message notifying the user of the potential for decreased risk. And as we can see, the color also changes as before.